got 3 warnings to go over. The first one in yellow, this is a wind advisory. Wind advisory is in effect starting tonight, midnight, until tomorrow at 2 p.m. Winds out of the west, coming from the west, 25 to 35 miles per hour, and possible up to 55 miles per hour. And this can especially affect Burley, the Raft River Range, and the southern mountain areas. Be careful driving and secure your objects. Next, a winter weather advisory in purple. This goes until tomorrow until 10 p.m. If you're above 6,500 feet in the mountains, 6 to 11 inches of snow. If you're on the valley floors, 1 to 5 inches of snow. I've got one more to go over with you. This is a winter storm warning. This goes until tomorrow, 5 p.m. Friday, 5 p.m. 12 to 18 inches of snow. And in the Tetons and the Gros Ventre range, 20 to 30 inches is possible. Tad bit less for the Gros Ventre. Currently light rain for lower elevations and snow rain mix for higher. That's what's happening right now. And for today, expect the same thing. Rain to continue for lower elevations as nighttime approaches and these temperatures get colder. We'll turn to snow for the Snake River Plain. Highs in the upper 30s here. Pocatello 40, American Falls 40. So it'll stay wet for a majority of the day. Temperatures for the central mountains for the highs here. We're topping out with Salmon Chalice at 40 degrees for the high temperature. Will probably occur a little bit earlier, and temperatures also in the 30s too. 2 to 6 inches is expected of snow by tomorrow morning, and high wind speeds where our winds are picking up for the next couple of days very, very strongly. We have a wind advisory in effect for along the I-15 corridors, the Arco Desert, Snake River Plain, that area right there, swath area, looking at winds up to 45 miles per hour. So along with falling snow, accumulated snow, do expect blowing snow and drifting snow to impact your visibility when you're driving. Tonight for the Snake River Plain, again, these are the same totals to expect for this deadline here Friday morning. Dusting probably towards the south to up to 2 inches. More so towards the north, and temperatures below freezing for the overnight lows. Pocatello has a low of 26. Central Mountains 2 to 6 inches of snow by tomorrow morning again, and temperatures for the lows still below freezing here, all below freezing in the teens. Also in the teens is the Eastern Highlands, and expecting on average 3 to 7 inches of snow. A little bit more higher totals are expected for that northwest portion of Wyoming, where more mountainous elevated areas are present. Tomorrow for the Snake River Plain, temperatures very close to freezing, so we may just stay solid precipitation snow for the Snake River Plain tomorrow. Snow level is dropping overnight to the ground. Tomorrow for the Central Mountains, highs close to the freezing point and below as well, but majority of the snowfall will have occurred by this time. Expect perhaps under an inch for the end of tomorrow. You can see this is by the end of Friday with the PM, 11 p.m. technically. Eastern Highlands, highs all below freezing, so solid precipitation all day. 1 to 3 inches for lower elevations, and some locations can have 4 to 6 inches unless you're in the very high mountainous areas like the Gros Ventre and the Teton range. You can expect much higher accumulations. That northwest corner of Wyoming is under a winter storm warning. Winter storm warning. Potential for the Gros Ventre to get 12 to 18 inches, and for the Teton Mountains, they can have 20 to 30 inches by Friday's end or Saturday morning. Idaho Falls, a high of 39, will stay windy for the next couple of days. Central Mountains, this system moving west to east. You'll have majority of your activity today and tonight, and then some flurries tomorrow. We have another system moving in Sunday into Monday that's going to provide, looks a little bit more modest in snowfall accumulation than this one that we're currently in right now. And by modest, I mean perhaps up to 5 inches of snow if you're above 7,000 feet. That's for that Sunday, Monday time frame right there, snow accumulation just for those 2 days.